And what would be the lifespan of a dental implant? And will there ever be a requirement for replacement?
I think replacements, if any, highly unlikely, will be. I think you will get to know those kind of bad implants within 3 months. So after that, it is highly unlikely that it will fail.
Do I need to make any lifestyle changes to kind of take care of the dental implants?
So you have to. There's a new way of cleaning your teeth that you
Right.
need to understand. But we make sure that your lifestyle is exactly how it was earlier when you had the full set of teeth. And that
Okay.
is the whole point. You need to be back to your 18-year-old self where you're crunching and biting the food and really enjoying the food.
So there's no like, don't eat this, don't eat
No,
that.
no, not at all. I would never say that to the patient, because I think that's the reason you go through all this time and effort, right?
Right.
To get all this procedure done. For what? To enjoy eating and enjoying your mouth, right?
Okay, I have this interesting. Can I decide the color or something about my implant? Like I want something different as an implant.
Okay, so which color do you want?
Let's say I want gold.
So it's in the bone. How would you know?
So it
What
doesn't
would it-
really make a difference.
No, it doesn't.